Question number 13. Find the volume of a square box with size 11 centimeters. So let's put this in figure so we see exactly what we're going to calculate. So let's say we have a square box like this. So here we have 11 centimeters. Here 11 centimeters. And then the breadth 11 centimeters. We need to know that the formula for the volume of a square box is L times L times L, which is equals to L cubed. Since all the sides are the same, because we have 11 here for the height, 11 here for the length, and 11 here for the breadth. So therefore, we are going to multiply that. So we have 11 centimeter multiplied by 11 centimeter multiplied by 11 centimeters. This is equals to 1331 centimeter cube. So the correct option to this question is D. Question number 14. A car traveling at an average speed of 60 km per hour left Freetown at 10:30 a.m. and arrived in Kenema at 2 o'clock p.m. Find the distance covered by the car. The speed is equal to 60 km per hour and it is given to us. So we are given. The distance, D, is not given to us, so we put question mark and we write unknown. The time T is between 10:30 a.m. to 2 o'clock. So here we write a.m. and then here we write p.m. Between 10:30 to 2 o'clock we have 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and we have 1 o'clock. From 10:30 to 11 o'clock it is 30 minutes. MIN. From 11 to 12 is 1 hour. From 1 to 1 is another 1 hour. And from 1 to 2 is another 1 hour. So the total hour is actually 1, 2, 3. And how many minutes? 30 minutes. So our time, we write it now as 3 hours, 30 minutes. So let's have the alternative method. So let's have here the start time. Start time is equals to 10:30 a.m. And the end time is 2 o'clock p.m. What you need to do is to add 12 to all p.m. Okay, if we add 12 to 2 o'clock, we are going to have 14 o'clock. So the next step is to subtract the starting time from the end time. So let's say here we write hours, and then here we write minutes. We are now going to subtract 14 o'clock minus 10:30. But the minute in the starting time is greater than the minute in the end time. So in this case, what you need to do is to take 1 hour from 14 and change it to minutes and then add it to here. So we are going to have 60 minutes. And then here will be remaining 13. So we are going to have 13, 60, take away 10, 30. Understand that we have taken 1 hour from 14, and that's what remains is 13. And that 1 hour, we have changed it to minutes and add it to this, and that is why we have here 60. So now we can do our subtraction. So 0 minus 0, 0. 6 take away 3 is 3. 3 minus 0, and that is 3. And 1 minus 1, and that is 0. So the time is this, 3 hours 30 minutes. So we write the time is equals to 3 hours 30 minutes, which is equals to 3.5 hour. If you change 30 minutes to hour, divide by 60, so you're going to have 3 here is 1 times, and then 3 here is 2 times, and that is why we have this half, 3.5 hours. So that is the time. Now we have the time t is equals to 3.5 hours, and the distance d is equals to question mark. So the formula, distance is equals to the speed multiplied by the time. So now the distance d is equals to 60 kilometer per hour multiplied by 3.5 hour. So hour and hour will cancel. So what you need to do is to change this to improper fraction by multiplying 2 multiplied by 3 and add 1. So our d will now be equals to 60 multiplied by 7 all over 2 all over 1. So this one will be all in kilometer. So 2 here is 1 times, 2 into 60 is actually 30 times. So our d will now be equals to 30 multiplied by 7. 3 times 7 is 21, and then add 0. So this one will be in kilometer. So the correct answer is this. Therefore, the correct option is D. Thanks for watching. I'm Richard Abdullahi Sonibay Kamara.